everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the front section of your hair and then take another section, pull it inside out and repeat the process. Then take the remaining hairs and braid it nicely, accessorize it, and it's done. For this one, make a part of your hairs and then take another section to it and make a braids out of it. Now take the remaining hairs and attach it as shown in the video. Braid it nicely and it's all done. It's cute, right? For this, take the front section of your hairs and tie it with the help of a rubber band. Now take another section and tie it again. Now braid the remaining hairs as shown in the video. Now take all the remaining hairs and attach it to the ponytail with the help of a rubber band. It's done. For the next one, take a hairband and then make a section out of your hairs and pull it inside out. Now start braiding your hairs as shown in the video and then take the remaining part and attach it, then braid it nicely. Then take the hairband ribbon and make it into bow and tie it with the rubber band. Now fix it to the ponytail and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one in the video, take this section of your hair and braid it nicely. Now take another section of your hairs and tie it with the help of a rubber band. Now make a braid on the bottom and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then make a sections out of it with the help of a rubber band and pull it nicely and gently as it will look like this and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one in the video, take the front section of your hairs and then make a braids out of it and attach it as it will look like a heart. Then take the remaining parts and attach it with the help of a rubber band. And then take a ribbon, attach the ribbon and make a cute little bow out of it and then it's all done. For the next one, take the front section of your hairs and start making small sections out of it as shown in the video. Now start braiding your hairs nicely and gently with the help of your hands as it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs, make it into ponytail and then make a section out of it, attach it with the rubber band and it's done. Thanks for watching.